Discover the future of learning. Welcome to LiteraNova, the revolutionary app designed to make students' unique learning experience smart, fun, and deeply engaging. AR Nova. Step into AR-powered learning adventures. Immersive stories powered by augmented reality that brings lessons alive. From literature to the wonders of science, every story is a journey waiting to be explored. Learning is faster and more fun with our interactive flashcards. Quick, engaging, and perfect for mastering key concepts. Ask Nova, our AI-powered chatbot. Have a doubt? Need a quick explanation? Just ask Nova, our 24/7 artificial intelligence-powered learning assistant ready to guide students through any challenge. SimNova, simulations that let students experiment freely. Experience the thrill of discovery with realistic simulations. Students learn by doing and watching experiments with real-time results. Virtual Tour, taking students places. Travel back in time with our virtual tours and explore historical places. Learning from the past helps one prepare smartly for the future. 2D and 3D audio-visual, fascinating animated content that help understand concepts better. Our audio-visual content combines engaging storytelling with immersive visuals and interactive elements, making learning dynamic, relatable, and unforgettable. Nova Expert, solving doubts with a deeper understanding. Our Nova experts solve doubts instantly. They are here to ensure no question goes unanswered, helping students clear doubts and queries as they progress through their learning journey. Nova Assess, interactive assessments that keep you ahead. Interactive and adaptive assessments that test skills and adapt each student's unique learning level. Every quiz is a step closer to mastery. Integration with LiteraHub, one-stop hub for all unique learning needs. The entire unique learning experience converges at LiteraHub to ensure the holistic learning experience is complete in every manner. Offline usage with no internet, because learning should never stop. LiteraNova offers offline, interactive and innovative audiovisual content paired with engaging learning resources and hands-on activities, fostering a multidimensional and personalized learning experience. It integrates storytelling, discovery and gamified approaches to ignite creativity and holistic development. Parent and teacher monitoring. Track progress holistically. Celebrate achievements with our holistic progress report. Teachers and parents closely monitor the students' learning growth along every dimension like knowledge, skills, and competencies. Play Nova, games that teach, entertain, and inspire. Challenging interactive games that combine education and entertainment. Mastering skills while having a blast. LiteraNova, your gateway to holistic learning. Empowering the students' unique learning journey with technology, creativity, and innovation. Join the LiteraNova revolution today. Why do we need LiteraNova? In today's fast-paced world, students encounter multiple challenges. From exam stress to the pursuit of ambitious career goals, their journey today is a relentless quest for means to manage a hyper-competitive world and ever-evolving career opportunities. This unravels a dire need for an education system that can elevate their learning and lead them to the pinnacle of success. Introducing LiteraNova Curriculum. The era of one-size-fits-all approach is a thing of the past. Introducing LiteraNova, a futuristic, groundbreaking curriculum thoughtfully designed to address each student's unique needs individually and empower them to overcome today's challenges. Each student is unique with their strengths, challenges, and potential. That's why LiteraNova offers customized learning paths to meet every student's unique needs through the Unique Learner's Profile. In short, ULP. It gives students the choice to progress at their own pace and in a way that suits their individual learning style, making the experience more engaging and effective. Our innovative, student-driven pedagogy fosters active learning and transforms educators into mentors. From AR Nova, our augmented reality-powered stories that brings lessons to life, to SimNova, LiteraNova leverages AR, AI, and interactive simulations to enhance students' ability to learn effectively. With 24/7 support by our AI-powered learning assistant Ask Nova and one-to-one guidance by Nova experts, students can solve their doubts quickly with a deeper understanding of concepts. What's more, our learning companions, Zen and Zara, add an exciting twist and create an engaging, student-friendly learning experience. This result is not only making learning a lot more stress-free, but is also fun and enjoyable. LiteraNova takes a holistic approach to learning, focusing on knowledge, values, skills, and competencies through analysis and critical evaluation. It equally prioritizes the nurturing of EQ, IQ, and the learner's cultural quotient to ensure well-rounded development. Learning is periodically evaluated through various methods, including portfolios, projects, self-assessments, and adaptive assessments. By design, LiteraNova unlocks each student's unique potential, enabling them to succeed in an ever-evolving world of tomorrow. Empower the future with LiteraNova innovative programs that ignite creativity, leadership, and excellence. Litera Avishkar, the Future Innovators Lab, where young minds shape the future. Dive into the world of STEM and robotics with hands-on learning, creative challenges, and real-world applications. From beginners to advanced levels, unleash the inner innovator and bring ideas to life. Freedom App, building English fluency. Discover the magic of reading with freedom, the app that nurtures curiosity and builds English language proficiency. Explore a library of interactive stories, audiobooks, and quizzes tailored to every student's unique learning level. Build reading habits, boost comprehension, and earn rewards on the go. Litera Model United Nations MUN Leadership Development Program, refining skills and defining futures, where future leaders are born. Sharpen public speaking skills, negotiation, and problem-solving skills to effectively tackle real-world challenges. Step into the shoes of world leaders and be a change maker. Cricket Kingdom by Rohit Sharma Cricket Academy. Dream big and score big with Rohit Sharma Cricket Academy. Learn the art of the game from perfecting the stance to mastering strategies. Join us to turn cricket passion into excellence. Motion Maker, animation and beyond. Step into the world of Motion Maker, where creativity meets technology. Learn to craft stunning animations, create digital stories, and bring ideas to life through motion graphics. Turn imagination into a masterpiece. My Mentor, unlocking NEP skills and competencies. All-in-one skill-building program with need-appropriate developmental pathways to strengthen 21st century imperative skills like critical thinking, self-awareness, resilience, self-regulation, empathy, emotional intelligence, global mindset, and more. The My Mentor program offers a 4-year curriculum, grades 7 to 10, with defined milestones and smart learning outcomes. With Nova innovative programs, every learner has the power to explore, excel, and transform their future. Join the revolution that is LiteraNova, empowering young minds.